Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlogs. Hello guys, balik na naman tayo sa Patiksay. Dito lang tayo sa medyo masikip na area guys. Kaya lang guys, medyo madalang yung tilapia ang lumulutang. Dalawa lang kasi yung huli ko. Ito guys, wala guys. 4 fingers lang guys. Medyo madalang yung tilapia. Hindi naman masyadong minamalas guys. Dahil may isa tayo na huli guys. Tingnan nyo guys, Guys, hilahin ko guys, Guys. Guys. Huli guys. Tiksay yan guys. Mga 2 kilo yan guys. Huli guys. Medyo swerte naman tayo ngayon guys. Thank you guys.